If you are tired of your long-form videos just collecting digital dust, it is time to pivot to snackable, high-impact clips. Top creators have stopped posting raw footage and instead are turning their best moments into scroll-stopping content. I'm going to walk you through how I use AI to streamline this entire process, which is way faster than manual editing. The first step is incredibly straightforward because you just upload your long video directly into the platform. While the AI works its magic to ingest and analyze your video for viral highlights, you can literally go grab a coffee. It picks out the punchy, interesting segments much more reliably than I ever could by trimming frame by frame. Once the analysis is done, you are presented with a series of suggested clips that you can preview alongside your source video. I usually skim through these options to pick the ones that match the vibe I am going for in my content strategy. If the initial results are not quite right, you can rerun the detection with different settings to focus on humor, emotions, or longer cuts. This saves me from having to hunt through a massive timeline like I used to do in traditional editing software. Next up, we need to handle the captions, which are auto-generated and usually spot on with the speech timestamps. You should always do a quick pass to catch any misheard words because fixing a small error is super fast and makes a huge difference. If the AI writes something weird like a name or a typo, just click on the text and type the correction instantly. I also like to split my captions into smaller, natural chunks so that they match the rhythm of how people actually speak. Having just 2 or 3 words on a line helps the viewer read faster and makes the video feel native to mobile platforms. Caption styling is where a lot of creators mess up, but you can apply a consistent look across all your clips with one click. I personally prefer bold uppercase text with a bright keyword highlight, but I keep the drop shadow subtle for legibility. You want to make sure your text pops off the background without being so heavy that it obscures the actual footage. Choosing the right font is crucial, so I always stick to a clean, geometric typeface that is easy to read on small screens. Once you find a look you love, save it as a preset so you can apply it to all your future batches of content. If you want that professional edge, add subtle animations like zoom-ins or pop effects that sync perfectly with your audio. This technique adds motion and keeps the viewer's attention locked in without needing complex manual keyframing. For specific words that need extra emphasis, I will turn off the global style and manually change the color or size for that moment. Pairing that color pop with a slight scale animation makes it feel like a high-end edit that would usually take hours. You should also utilize stickers and PNG overlays, but keep them placed strategically so they don't compete with your face or your captions. Sound design is the secret sauce, so adding subtle whooshes or pings can really elevate the production value. Just remember to lower the volume of your sound effects so they support your voice, rather than drowning it out entirely. The biggest time saver here is the batch creation and auto-scheduling feature, which lets you queue up a whole week of content at once. You can set your posting frequency, and the tool will handle the uploads to your social channels at the optimal times. The content calendar view is perfect for managing everything in one place, allowing you to drag, drop, and rearrange your feed. Exporting is a breeze because you just select the platform preset you need, and the software handles the aspect ratio and bitrate for you. This workflow occupies the perfect middle ground, offering smarter automation for creators who want professional polish without the steep learning curve. My last bit of advice is to always review the AI's picks yourself, because you are the ultimate human taste filter for your audience. If you enjoyed this deep dive into my workflow, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips, and I will see you in the next one.